What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a video about junk drawer lots on eBay and talk a little bit about what they are and how you can use them to grow your side hustle. So here is a lot that sold for $100.50 just 5 days ago. And it is a junk drawer lot. And basically a junk drawer lot is where you get a bunch of miscellaneous items that are usually either collectible or useful, or collectible and useful, and you put them in a lot. And the idea is to attract people from a wide variety of interests in order to create a bidding war that will help push the price up. But also, oftentimes, these items individually, they're usually rather small, and they're just not worth the time or money to list them and ship them individually. So here's a lot that sold for $100 just a few days ago. As you can see, there's a wide variety of different items that appeals to a wide variety of people, from belt buckles to earrings to just many different pieces. Here is another example that sold recently. It sold for $22 and some change, not nearly as good, but here you can see you have some Star Trek stuff, some trains, and this is definitely great to help grow your side hustle for a few reasons. For one thing, it really expands kind of the items that you can source, right? Because a lot of times you go to garage sales and you think to yourself, man, this is a pretty interesting item, Like some of these keychains, for example, and the person at the garage sale may be only asking 25 cents for the item, maybe even 5 or 10 cents. But you'll sit there and you think, I could sell this for a few dollars, but it's going to cost me, $2 or $3 to ship it, and then I have to pay for fees and shipping supplies, so it's really not worth it. But but having a junk drawer lot makes it to where you can source and buy smaller items and still earn a profit from them, which makes it to where even if you don't find much at a garage sale, except for a couple really small items that you can buy for 10, 15, 25 cents and sell them for $1 or $2, individually, you can still buy them and earn a profit from those. Another great thing about junk drawer lots is junk drawer lots are a great source to put your miscellaneous items that you'll come across. Here, for example, are some items that I have picked up recently that are a little more miscellaneous. A lot of times you'll find yourself buying items in bulk, and you're going to be separating out these, bulk items into different lots. But sometimes there's items that just don't fit, or that might come with another item that you can't sell individually, but you can throw it into a junk drawer lot. For example, I bought a large group of books at an estate sale a few days ago for $3.74. A couple of them had bookmarks. Really not any money to sell them individually, but I could throw them in this lot. Also, here is a Success desk calendar from 1955. It was in a lot of items that I'm going to be selling as a Cub Scout related themed that a leader of a Cub Scout pack had from the 1950s, which is super interesting. But this just didn't really fit in the lot. And today I picked up a group of video games. It was 12 different games, and 5 of them were Xbox 360 games. The other 6 were PlayStation 2 games. One of them was a PSP game, which I really just can't sell as a lot with the other 2 items, so that's going to be going in this lot as well. But a third way that's really beneficial is negotiation, right? So a lot of times people have garage sales to just get rid of stuff that they don't want. And if you're buying numerous items, then you can oftentimes just ask the person that's having the garage sale if they'll be willing to throw something small in, and oftentimes they will. For example, I got this pack of cards thrown in a couple weeks ago, as well as this mini tire gauge and this golf ball this last weekend. I was buying a few items and I was like, hey, would you throw in this golf ball? And they did. So I'm definitely going to wait till I get this to be like 5 or 10 times its current size to list it. But this is a great way to earn an extra $15, $20 and to just have that much more to sell on eBay. So I hope that y'all find this to be helpful, and please like, subscribe, comment. Have a good day. Thanks, bye.